Is your HP printer stuck during a firmware update? Don't worry, I'll walk you through simple fixes step by step. First, make sure your printer is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Weak connections often cause update failures. Turn off your printer, unplug it for about 60 seconds, and restart your router and computer. Then power everything back on.
Next, open the HP Smart app and check for firmware updates in printer settings. If that doesn't work, download the latest firmware directly from HP's official website and install it manually.
For a more stable update, connect your printer using a USB cable instead of Wi-Fi.
Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus can block updates. Disable it temporarily while updating. If everything works, reset your printer to factory settings and try again. And that's it! Your printer should be working perfectly now.